Welcome to Nitotech. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the moments. So the moments is two types, moments about origin and moments about mean. So already we have discussed the formula for expectation of a function. Expectation of g of x is equal to integral g of x into fx of x dx if x is continuous, and expectation of g of x is sigma z of xi into p of xi if x is discrete. So in place of g of x we are taking x power n, or we can write it as x minus 0 whole power n. So we are calculating moments with respect to 0, that is origin. So it is called as moments about origin. So similarly we can calculate expectation of x minus, so this is about mean value. X bar means we are denoting mean with x bar. So here x minus x bar whole power n is called as moments about mean, or we can also call it as central moments. So in place of g of x, if we take x minus 0 whole power n, then it is moments about origin, and we are denoting it with m suffix n, mn. And if we calculate expectation of x minus x bar whole power n, then it is called as moments about mean or central moments, and it is denoted by mu n. So moments is two types, about origin 0 or about mean value x bar. So about origin is denoted by m suffix n, about mean is denoted by mu suffix n. So similarly here also we can write the formulas for moments about origin and moments about mean if x is continuous and if x is discrete. Again the same format. If x is continuous, integration and density function. If x is discrete, summation and probabilities. Here also same. If x is continuous, integration and density function. If x is discrete, summation and probability. Simply we have to replace g of x with x power n. Then it is moments about origin. X power n. Here also we are getting x power n. Discrete case, in place of x power n, we have to write xi power n. So for moments about mean or central moments, the g of x, the function is x minus x bar whole power n. So here also we have to write x minus x bar whole power n. For discrete case, in place of x, we have to write xi. So xi minus x bar whole power n. So these two are similar, only difference is the function is x power n, here the function is x minus x bar whole power n. So the moments about origin is denoted by mn. Now we are taking different values for this n here. So first I am taking n is equal to 0, and we can represent it as m naught, m suffix 0. So this is called as 0th order moments about origin. Mn means moment about origin. If we take n in place of n, if we take 0, then it is 0th order moments about origin. So similarly we can write first order moments about origin, second order moments about origin. Now let us check the values of these three. M naught means m suffix 0, m is equal to expectation of. So the basic formula here is mn is expectation of x power n. So if we are taking in place of n, we are taking 0. So expectation of x power, replace n with 0. So x power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Expectation of a constant is same, constant. So expectation of 1 is 1. So the 0th order moments about origin is m naught is equal to 1. Next, first order. First order moments about origin m1 means expectation of x power, in place of n write 1. So expectation of x, which is nothing but mean value of x. That is the previous topic. Mean value means denoted by x bar, which is expectation of x. So if we take n is equal to 2, that is second order moments about origin m2. m2 is equal to expectation of x square. So expectation of x square is nothing but mean square value of x. Expectation of x is mean value of x. Expectation of x square is mean square value of x. Now coming to moments about mean or central moments. So here we are denoting it with mu n. So the definition is the expectation of the function x minus x bar whole power n, where x bar is mean. So here the moments are calculated with respect to the mean value x bar. So here also for continuous case and discrete case we can write the formulas. Continuous case is integration and density function, and we have to write this function g of x again here. For discrete case the formula is summation and probability, and we have to write this function here. In place of x we have to simply write x suffix I. Here also we are going to study different orders. So here in place of n we are taking 0, 1, 2 and 3. So first I am writing n is equal to 0, and we can call this mu naught as 0th order moments about mean or 0th order central moments. So mu naught means expectation of x minus x bar whole power 0. In place of n write 0. So again here anything power 0 is 1. So expectation of 1. Expectation of a constant is constant. So we are getting 0th order central moments is equal to 1. So therefore mu naught is 1. Next coming to first order central moments. That means replace n with 1. So mu 1 is equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole power 1. In place of n we are writing 1. So it is same, x minus x bar whole power 1 is x minus x bar. So already we know that expectation of sum of two functions, expectation of g1 of x plus g2 of x, we can write it as sum of individual expectations. Expectation of g1 plus expectation of g2. Here also we can write these two functions as individual expectations. First we can write expectation of x minus expectation of x bar. Expectation of x is nothing but mean value denoted by x bar, and here x bar is a constant. So expectation of a constant is constant. So x bar minus x bar is equal to 0. So the first order central moments is always equal to 0. 0th order central moments is equal to 1. Mu naught is 1, mu 1 is 0. The second order central moments denoted by mu 2, that is expectation of x minus x bar whole power 2. In place of n we are writing 2. This is called as variance. So variance means the second order central moments or the second order moments about mean, denoted by mu 2 or sigma x square. So we are going to discuss about this variance in detail in the next lecture. So next one, if we take n is equal to 3, that is expectation of x minus x bar whole cube. This is called as skew of the random variable x. So what is the importance of this skew is, so by using skew we can find the asymmetry of a density function, whether it is positively skewed or negatively skewed, or it is having a skew of value 0. So this skew is used for finding asymmetry of a density function. So this is about moments about origin denoted by mn, and moments about mean or central moments denoted by un. Thank you very much.